Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Design in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in canva.com, and if you come over to the left hand side and if you click on this Magic Studio, and then we're going to scroll down, and then if you give this Magic Design a click, and then you can see it says try now. So this pops up for you, and then you want to press this purple button that says try Magic Design. Okay, awesome. It is now brought up this search bar for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop our prompt in. So I've just created this prompt. It's very generic, so it's going to be interesting to see what Magic Design brings up for us. So I've put in a birthday invitation for an 18th birthday with a birthday cake. So it is just generating for that. And then let's see what it does. So as you can see down below, you've got 18th birthday. You could obviously say like if it was female, male. Cool. Okay, so as you can see, it was a very generic prompt. So the results it's brought up are very sort of, let's say, not hitting the spot. So this one, we've got the 18th birthday, but the pictures of 40 candles. This one, we've just got the 8, we haven't got the 1. So let's just say if you clicked on this one, as we actually have the picture of the 18, and then you then want to customize this template, and then it will take you through, and then you can make your magic touches and make it, you know, however you want it. So you can change this color of the pink, come up to the top here, and then go for whatever color, if it was for a boy's celebration or something, or female, if you just wanted different colors, you can go ahead and make it however you want, change the font, and yeah, just get really nice and creative. And that is it. That is how to use Magic Design in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.